Hello friends, today let us learn the very beautiful tricks of math, and today's topic is especially for finding square number. Okay, today I'm going to go for especially two-digit number, how we can find the square, and for three-digit number also. And however, today I will be giving you the universal tricks that you can follow up any of your math calculations. Okay, so how we're gonna find the square of any two-digit numbers? So I'm going to give you three important tricks of math. It's about finding square. Okay, trick number one. So trick number one, finding square for any two-digit numbers. This can be from 11 to 19. You can apply these tricks for 11 to 19 because 11 to 19 it is two-digit number, right? And of course I will tell you how the three-digit number, the square, in easy way how we can find it. Even I would say, okay. So after watching this video, we are actually going to learn a very beautiful tricks of maths, especially finding square. So here, let's get started. Let me take you an example of that, and then I will make you to understand that how within few seconds you can find it the square of the given number. Okay, so let's get going. Let's suppose here is the number given to you is 24. So 24 square to be found out. What is basically a square mean? What does it mean? Square is multiplying two times in same number. When you multiply same number two times, then that is basically said to be a square. Okay, so let's suppose he asked to find the square of 3. Square of 3 means we multiply 3 two times. So 3 equal to 9. So 9 will be the square of 3. But when there is the number is given like big numbers, let's say here two-digit number I'm talking about today. So there are very nice tricks. So I'm going to tell you about it. Okay, so let us see how we can find it the square of 24. So 24 means traditional method, we have to multiply 24 into 24. So it's going to take you a lot of times, and moreover you have to use the calculator to find quickly. But today without calculator, how can you determine, how can you calculate it in your minds, how you can make your minds as calculator? Okay, are you getting me? Very good. So without using calculators by mind, instantly how are you going to get the answers for the square of this given numbers? Here is the answers. So what could be the answer? And first, before giving the answers, let me tell you how we have to do this. Okay, so remember that this is 24 square we are finding. So think that this 24 is actually a different number. Okay, it is 2 is separate, different, and 4 is different. So first step is to find the square of 4. Okay, for this tricks, individual square you need to know. So 4 square will be 16, right? So 16 directly you should not write, just write 6 over here. Keep 1 for the carry. Understand? Now this you have actually assumed that these are the two different numbers. So 4 and 2 together you multiply it. 4 and 2 together you multiply it, and after multiplying we'll get 2 times of 4 is equal to 8, and here one more 2 is there, so multiply with that 2 also. So 8 plus again 2, if you multiply we'll get 8 to 16, here 1 is there, and it will become 70. Again one more carry is left, 1. And now the third step is to find the square of 2. So when you find the square of 2, it will be 4, and carry was 1, so plus it will be equal to 576. Okay, I'm making you to understand, so it's taking time. So when you do it quickly, so it's going to be in less time, so you can do it. Okay, let's do other example. Let's do other example. This is universal tricks. Okay, 22 for example, 22 square. Instantly, first what I do, square of 2, first you find it, square of 2 will be 4, and then multiply this 2 and 2 together. So 2 and 2 will be equal to 4, and that 4 should be multiplied with that this 2 also. Okay, so 4 2 times will be 8, so write 8 as it is. Then final square of 2 you have to find it. So 2 will be, the square of 2 will be 4. So answer will be 484. Is it interesting? Obviously, it's going to be useful in our maths calculations. One more examples, let me tell you. You will be thinking that you're taking only small example. Let me take you a little big one. The numbers. Which number? You tell me, you suggest me. Which number should I take? Okay, let us take 52. Okay. 52 square. 52 square means in traditionally you have to multiply 52 into 52, then we'll get the square number, right? But here we are not going to do in a traditional method. Direct we have to use the short tricks. Okay. And firstly you have to find the square of first number. So first number square, 2 square will be 4, right? As it is 4. Understand? And then you think that these are two different numbers, 5 and 2. So multiply both of them. Multiply 5 and 2. So 5 2 times will be 10. And again here 2 is square is there. So 10 has to be multiplied again that 2. So 10 2 times will be 20. So 2 number you got it. So that is why I write here 0 only. And keep this 2 for carry. Okay. Now third step is to find the square of first number, I mean 5. 5 square will be 25. 25, the carry was 2. 25 plus this 2 will be added, so we will get 27. Understand? So if you traditional way, if you multiply also, you will get the same answer. How do you get? So let us do traditionally. Let us multiply it. Okay, let us multiply traditionally. 52 50. 2 times will be 4, 2 5 times will be 10, 5 2 times will be 10, 5 times will be 25, 26, 4 0 7 2. Did you get the same answer? If you do the traditional way and the shortcut tricks, you will get the same one. So in this way you can find out the square of 2-digit number. Okay, from 11 to 19 you can find in this way. Understand? Maybe let me do now the second tricks. Okay, second tricks you can follow up. Trick number 2 is finding square only. Find it square for 2-digit or 3-digit also. If the unit digit is 5, if there will be unit digit 5, then how do you find? If unit digit is 5, that means the n number. If you find 5, then how do you find the square? Okay, finding. How do you find square? Okay, let's suppose, for example, 25. So 25, the last number is 5, or the unit digit is 5, right? So how do you find the square of this kind of number? It is easy. You can use the same method. You can use the same method how we have learned just now. But when you find the unit digit 5, it is really easy. Okay, so really easy. Within 2 seconds you can get the answers. Okay, what could be the answer of this question? This question answer will be 625. It's not even taking 2 seconds. Within 1 second you can write the answers. How do you get 625? Did I remember or did I memorize? Did I by heart it? Okay, not at all. Okay, you have to use these tricks. What is the tricks actually? Look at it. There are 2 digits. 2 is first, last is 5. So firstly find the square of 5. So of course square of 5 will be 25. And then second number is 2. So 2, next number 2 is actually 3. So always you find, locate the number and the next number to be multiplied with the same number. That means next number of 2 is 3. That 3 must be multiplied with the 2. Understand? So when you multiply 3 2 times, you will get 6. The answer will be 6. 25. Okay. Let's take other number. You suggest me which number should I take? Little big one. Okay, let us big number. Let us take it. 95, for example. Okay, 95. What you have to do? Firstly, the unit number should be find out the square of unit number. Square of unit number here 5. 5 square is always 125. Then look at the next number of 9. Next number of 9 is 10. So 10 9 times. That 9 should be multiplied with the next number of 9. Okay, so 9 10 times will be equal to 90. So answer will be 9025. Is it exciting? Is it excited? How is it? Is it fine? Are you learning this? Okay, you can remember this trick and you can apply in your maths calculations. Okay, so even this trick can be applied for 3-digit number also. Let's take, I will take some examples of 3-digit number. Okay, 3-digit number, you tell me which should have 5 in the unit number. Let's say 105. Okay, 105. So you can find the square. How do you find it? First find the square of 5. So square of 5 will be 25. Now this became number 2. Okay, it is 10. You think that 105 should be equally divided into first 2 and 1. So find the this you find the first number square is 25. Now this is the 10. Okay, you think it is now 10. 10 next number is actually 11. Next number is 11. So 11 multiplied with this 10. Okay, 11 10 is equal to 110. So your answer will be 11,025. Clear? So in this way you can find the square number. Okay, so how is it? Is it good? So I hope this video gonna help you much in the calculation of your day-to-day life maths, your maths calculations. Okay. So shall we move on to the next tricks? Next tricks for of course we are going to find the square of 3-digit number. Okay, trick number 3. Finding square. Finding square of 3-digit number. Clear? So you can take it 3-digit number. Let me take it 204. How do you find it? Is really difficult task. In traditional method, you have to multiply 204 into 204. Then you'll get it. It's really boring and taking a lot of times. And of course, we're gonna use the calculator as well. So why can't we do short tricks? Why can't we follow these tricks? So for these tricks, actually, what we have to do for 3 number digits, especially, you make them think that it is 2 number. Okay, you divide them into 2 different numbers. Let's say this is 04 and this is only 2. Just imagine in your mind. Okay, for doing this square, just make a 3 line over here. I just give 3 lines. Clear? After that, you have to find it. First, find the square of this 2. The square of 2 will be 4. Right here in the first line. Understand? So and after that, what you have to write it here, this number 04 square you have to find. 04 square will be equal to the same as it is 04 square is 16 only, right? So that's 16 you write here. Okay, now what you have to do is, as you have divided both of them, this 2 and 04, so you multiply it. 2 into 04 means only 4, multiply, you will get 8. That 8 you have multiplied with this again 2, so we will get 16, and 16 can be written. So this will be the answer of this question. Your answer will be 41616. That means 41,616. Okay, in this way also you can find it. Clear? Understand? So for example, let's say other questions, let me take little big higher number. One more example, let us take it and we can understand clearly. If not, it's useless. Okay, if you don't understand it, it's really useless. So let us see one more 3-digit number, 312 square you have to find it. How do you do? So think that it is two different numbers. Okay, 3 is one number and 12 is another number. Okay, you have to draw 3 lines here. Clear? So now firstly you have to find the square of 3. The square of 3 will be 9, right? So write 9 here. Understand? Now the second number you think it is 12. So 12 square will be about 144. So you are not going to write 3 numbers here because this line can contain maximum 2 only. Okay, so you can keep only maximum 2. So here 44 you will write 1 is remain here plus this 1 number that can be taken for the carry. Okay, here you can take for the. Now what the next step? First step, square completed, 3 square done, 12 square done, you have written 44 here, 1 is carry. Okay, now the middle part is you have to multiply both of them, 3 and 12. So 3 and 12 if you multiply, how much you will get? 3 into 12 multiply, you will get 36, and 36, this 2 again you have to multiply, that means 72. So here write 70. One carry was there, do you remember? That carry must be added. The final answer you can write 4, 1 plus 3, 2 is equal to 3, 7 and 9. Last answer will be 97,340. In this way, you can actually find out the square of 3-digit number. Okay, so that's all for today. Maybe next class is you practice. If you practice more, then it will be really faster. The faster way you can do it. Okay, thank you so much for watching this video. Next times I will be coming with some other tricks that you can enjoy it.